Hello, good day everybody. Welcome to this first of a group of lessons about Khaita Joyful Dances. In this lesson we will learn the basic movement and the basic steps that will allow us to dance. So to apply the dances, to learn more simple or complicated dances. Let's start from the meaning. Why Khaita Joyful Dances? Khaita is a Tibetan word because the lyrics and the songs we are dancing on come from Tibetan culture. Khaita we translate with harmony in the space. Harmony is the goal of these dances. We want to reach an harmonious movement. So the melody and the movement of the dances will make us understand and learn how to move harmoniously with our body. We will also coordinate our energy and we will also relax our mind through dancing. So we will coordinate these three aspects and find a harmony between all these three. So in this way, we will also be able to face in a different way our stress, our tension, our bad emotion. If we are more relaxed, we will face all this in a different way. This will not change the outer situation because if there are some concrete problems, we cannot change those. But if we are more relaxed, if we have less tension, we will face in a different way. And then slowly, everything can also change. So this is why harmony in the space. We start from us, we start to change a little bit ourselves, and then this will manifest outside, will manifest also to other people and to our environment. In general, we dance together, but in these circumstances we are learning now and we will apply in our room, in our space, and then when it's possible we will join with other people. That will be more fun. And Khaita Joyful Dances, because this is also what we develop by dancing, we develop some joy. Okay, so let's start from the first step. Today we will learn what we call basic steps. Sometimes we also call Tibetan step. This is a particular step of these dances, so it's good to learn because once you understand this, that we can apply with different speed, with different rhythm, but then you can do really many Khaita dances. So before learning the steps, let's walk a little bit in your place. And when we walk, we see that we move our weight from one side to another. So let's try to be aware of this. Take some steps around your room and be aware of how you move. Okay, how you move and how the weight move from one leg to the other. For example, now I go more to the right side and to the left. Sorry, I forgot to say, you see this ribbon, so these are on my right arm. So when I say I move my right arm, you see immediately I move this with the ribbon. Okay, this will help to understand some movement. Sometimes by watching a mirror like is not easy. I will also turn, but sometimes it's not possible to turn. So we try again to move our body from one leg to another. So when we walk, we do like this, okay? And when we dance, we also move one side, other side. So now my weight is more on the right side and now on the left side. On the right side, on the left side. So try to be aware of this aspect. Okay. There is another movement that we do, another step, that we say heel. So for example, I move my weight to the right, to the left. Now I step with heel and my weight is still on the left side. If I turn, I move to right side, to the left. Now heel. I step with heel, but my weight is still on my left. Okay? So we already learned 2 ways. Step, step, heel. So our weight will remain on one side. Try again. We try a few times. Step, step, heel. 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 I think it's clear. And now we add a little detail. This movement we call kick. So when we go up, we call kick. When the male dancer do bigger movement with foot and the leg, women do a smaller movement, okay? But the quality is the same. This we call kick. It's not really kick, but it's kind of like moving forward and a little up. So now with the previous exercise, we add this kick. So we do step, moving the body weight, step, then we do heel and kick with the same foot. So you see that my weight now is still on the left side, on the left leg. Again, I do on this side. So we do step, step, heel, kick. With the same leg, heel, kick. Step, step, heel, kick. Step, step, heel, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the basic step, what we call basic step. You see, I count 4. The rhythm is very important when we dance because it gives the shape. We have a melody. Melody has a rhythm. So it can be slower or faster, but this is the basic step. So I can do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if the music is faster, I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, this is always the basic step. You see, it's asymmetric. So always we go like this. Right, left, heel, up. Right, left, heel, up. Right, left, heel, up. Okay, this is already the basic step we have learned. Now we have some arms movement and we will apply with the music. So with the arms we do this movement. We open with right and open with left. So every 4 steps we do one opening, alternating right and left. So let's start first part. I go and open with my right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I open left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I open again right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Basic step we can do on the place. Sometimes when we dance in the circle, for example, we will move forward this doesn't change. So if I stay on the place, I will do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I move forward, I will go forward. Very simple, no? With the first step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I move forward. Now I turn like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes we go backward. That same principle. I will do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So the main step doesn't change. We can apply different arms movement, but now we will try a little part of a song, of a dance, with this movement that I have already said, opening one arm and then opening the other arm. So this dance is called Soirelo, means how marvelous, and it is a circle dance. In general, in this dance, male do the inner circle, female do the outer circle. This is very good to learn a basic step because it's the only step we have. Only sometimes we do like this with both with each other, or we turn backward, but with the same counting and this very simple step. So now we train only the rhythm and the basic step and the arm movement, starting right, alternating right and left, okay? So we do just a little part. The goal of this lesson is not to learn the dance, but just to train the basic step. The dancing we will learn in another moment. Always with the same. I show you these other two movements in this dance, so we can apply, okay? So even we are not full circle, of course we miss this aspect, but we can apply the steps. So next part I say, we alternate, we do this basic step few times, and then in one moment we will recognize with the music, we will do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, we go with the heel in front. Instead of do heel here, we go in front. And the 4 count, we stay. Before we did like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Now we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, we stay. Then we will put our hand on the hip and 1, 2, 3, 4, again the basic step. So I turn, will be 1, 2, 3, heel in front and we bow, a 4 count we stay, and then again hand on the hip, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we will continue opening the arms as we did before. So let's do the music now, this, so we can do the full dance in our small place. So I will go around like this, clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, heel, kick. Right, left, heel, kick. Right, left, heel, kick. Now we go 1, 2, 3, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we continue. Supporting us. Now go. 1, 2, 3, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic step, pay attention not to be lazy. What means? I say that there are 4 counts, so count is important because give us the rhythm of the movement. So 4 counts are like this: right, left, heel, up, right, left, heel, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we have a slow music, like the one we just did, it's very clear and very easy to follow the 4 counts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But sometimes when we have faster music, For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It might happen that we don't do the first step, no? That this is very easy mistake that many of us do actually. We dance, I say lazy way, so that we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But when we dance, it's important to be aware, to keep presence, not develop also our presence and awareness. So not to dance in a lazy way, but always dancing like it's the first time, like we are learning. So this is why it's very good to learn dance, because we are more attentive to what is happening. When we know, then we say, this we know, okay, I know, and I'm thinking something else. I easily get distracted. But we should try to pay attention, okay? So remember this, always 4 counts, and the 4 goes up. Unless there are some indication, unless it's a step where we stay down, but in general it's like this. So if we slow rhythm or faster, doesn't matter. It's always 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 up. If it's big, big, like male, more, like that. Female, less, but still up. 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2, 3 up. Okay, now we train a little bit the rhythm. So do with me. We start slow and then follow my rhythm. We will go a little bit faster. I start facing backward. So we start slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did it go? I hope it went very well. Now we do something else. We apply different arms movement, always with basic step. So there are many variations, really many, so we just cover some, just to be able to understand. With the same step, we already saw opening, alternating right and left. Now we do like this. We do this movement with the arms. We go down and up. Down, up. Both arms, you see, when I go up, go on the same level. So I go down, up. Let's try together. Down, up. Down, up. Down, up. Now with the step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I slowly turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now right higher. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Again, together, same level. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Left higher. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same level. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we do another movement of the arms. We do like this. In front, back. Like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right goes in front with the first step. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I turn. So you can see better maybe on the other direction. And you can follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. We can do higher. We can go higher. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or lower level. Same principle, same movement. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Another possible variation of arms, we move to one side and to the other side, like this. For example, we move both to the left, both to the right. We try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1. Okay. We can also go up, for example, like this. So this is a wider movement. For example, we go to left, right, like we do a circle with the arms up, one side, other side, one side, other side, one side, other side. Always counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. We can do like a wheel with our arms. For example, we can do like this. Like that. You see? We do a wheel, like a circle, in this way. So I do, then I will also turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will close this session with a full dance. So we will learn a dance called Manger, and Manger means aspiration. So the song is an offering to the deities, first part, to our parents, second part, and to our friend, the third part. What we offer? We offer the wish they have a long life and prosperity. How we do this? We do with symbolizing offering by a kada, by holding a kada. Kada is a white scarf that in Tibet is used like this, not to pay homage, like offering or say thank you, and we are holding like that. So when we will dance, in some moment you will see we will go forward. I will do with my hands like that. It means that I'm holding this white scarf. It's a circle dance, so in general male dance in the inner circle, female in the outer circle. We go in one direction, opposite, and then in some moment when we are offering kada, we go one toward each other. the step is basic step, as we say, and the arms will be like this. We go to one side and to the other side, like this, like we saw before. If I turn, we go like this, one side, both, other side. Quite low, they're not high movements. We go like this, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we move our arms, our hands are also opening, palms are opening, because all song, as we say, is about offering, so we offer. And then when I will go forward, it means I'm going toward the center of the circle. I will go like this, holding a kada. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, third. And the last time I go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I will go back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, third time. And then I go down, offering, down, 3, 4. So these are the steps of the dance, very simple. Of course, I will not move now. I will move just a little bit to make understand, but basically I stay. So we do full dance, okay? Forward, go, back, last time, I will go again to the center, forward, go, back, okay, so we learn also a full dance, of course without choreography. And see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy and we learn something together. Ciao!